How to use the Savvy Navvy app. The Savvy Navvy app is designed to simplify marine navigation by integrating charts, weather tides, and route planning into one platform, often referred to as Google Maps for boats. So here I am, I've just opened up the application. This is my first time using it. And the first thing that it asks me is, how do you get out on the water? This is so it knows what waters we can enter, what is restricted area and what's not. So let's put in sailboat. Here you're gonna type in your engine cruising speed and your fuel efficiency. Here you can put in your bridge height clearance, which is how much space your boat requires under the water level. Let's agree and continue. And I don't know why it's doing this, but it is taking a long time to load up the interface on my phone. Anyways, there's also a free plan which gives you access to United States charts, weather forecasts, automatic route planning with savvy routing, boat ramp information, departure schedule, and GPS track recording. And it's primarily available in the US. The premium plan is approximately $69 per year, and it features global nautical charts, tidal information, anchor alarms, satellite overlays, offline chart access, and enhanced planning functionalities. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.